we are in Abertillery. We're just doing a companion film on the War Memorial as it is today, to juxtapose it with the Pathé film from the opening of the memorial back in 1926. It's pretty much unchanged, and obviously the gable end behind is where the Welsh flag was draped those years ago. As you can see, we've got a all English inscription, and again the Great War ending 1918 this time. We just pan around, let's get the general idea of the town. Behind us we've got Queen Street School, and then as we pan around, look down the valley towards Six Bells, the Arrow Mountain in the distance, and around. This is where the soldiers marched on the day of the War Memorial's unveiling. And the road here takes us back into the town of Abertillery, which is just a few hundred yards away. And there it is. This memorial was unveiled by Field Marshal Count Allenby, CGB, GCMG, on the first day of December in the year of our Lord 1926. Panning round to the back, we've got a full list of men who went to the war, as apart from the ones who passed away. So a rather different today to the scene in 1926. The little garden very much unchanged. And obviously the main difference in the town is that these days there are no coal mines. So there we are, Abertillery War Memorial. (13th of February 2017).